Hi, I'm Mark Font with Maxeon Wheels. We're the largest wheel manufacturer in the world, and we'd like to feature a number of innovative approaches to wheel design. For over more than 100 years, we've been the leader in design innovation for wheels in the automotive and commercial vehicle industry. We'd like to show you in our booth here a number of innovative designs and technologies that we're bringing to the market soon, as well as go over some of the past innovations we've been performing over the last 100 years. At NASS this year, we're featuring some design innovations to optimize the lightweight steel wheel. We're taking approximately 5% out of the wheel weight while maintaining the integrity and the strength of the wheel, and we'll be introducing that in the near future. This year we're featuring some new design innovations on the coatings of the wheel. We're working to improve not only the appearance of the wheel, but also the durability and corrosion resistance. As you can see, we're offering some new colors and finishes that can improve the overall appearance of the wheel while maintaining the integrity of the coating. This year we're featuring a new design we're bringing to the North American market, featuring an external valve technology, where we move the valve for the wheel to the outside of the rim versus the inside, so we eliminate the possibility of getting interference with any type of stones or debris that could result in a sheared off valve. We're excited about this new technology as a safety feature as well as a service enhancement. Please come join us and see all the exciting innovations we're bringing to you at the Mid-American Truck Show this year. And for more information, please visit our website at maxeonwheels.com.